Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for in-depth analysis of the best gear for everyday use. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best outdoor movie projector screen available on the market right now. The STWUI 120-inch portable projector screen with stand. Let's start with the standout feature, its impressive new generation chassis design. The STWUI team has gone the extra mile to tackle a common problem with outdoor screens: stability. This screen features an upgraded, lengthened, and weighted base to ensure it stays firmly planted, even in mildly breezy conditions. And for those who want extra assurance, the base includes 2 dedicated holes for floor nails, giving you peace of mind whether you're hosting a movie night in your backyard or setting up at a local community event. Now, onto the screen itself, and it's a beauty. You're looking at a 120-inch diagonal display, with a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for widescreen content. The screen material is crafted from high-quality milk silk, which is both foldable and washable. That means it's easy to maintain and, most importantly, wrinkle-free. Your picture remains sharp and distortion-free, whether you're projecting from the front or the rear. With support for 4K HD and a 160-degree wide viewing angle, everyone in the crowd gets a great view. Setup is another area where this screen truly shines. In fact, the STWUI screen can be fully assembled in just about 3 minutes. The company has ditched flimsy plastic in favor of a robust, all-metal bracket system. No tools are needed and the removable beam simplifies the entire process. You'll be up and running in no time, perfect for those spontaneous movie nights or last-minute presentations. Let's not forget portability. The screen and stand come in a compact carry bag, just 7.8 by 17.7 inches. It's lightweight and easy to take anywhere, whether you're heading to a campsite, a classroom, or even a church function. It's a truly versatile product that fits seamlessly into a wide range of indoor and outdoor scenarios. And here's the cherry on top: customer support. STWUI offers 24/7 professional after-sales service, so if anything doesn't meet your expectations, help is just a message away. To wrap it up, the STWUI 120-inch portable projector screen with stand delivers premium quality, easy assembly, and true versatility, all wrapped up in a package that's travel-friendly and built to last. Whether it's for backyard cinema, school presentations, or event showings, this screen earns our top recommendation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another in-depth review from Product Critique. See you in the next one.